see how that hair fell? Well, babe. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis, and today, like the title says, I'm gonna be showing you how I pin curl my hair and give you a really in-depth tutorial why I do the things I do and how this helps preserve my hair. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm gonna just tell you a few things about pin curling first. If you really just don't care to hear anything, you wanna get straight to the tutorial, timestamp should pop up here on the screen, okay? So pin curling your hair, I would say, is a much better alternative than wrapping your hair. If you leave the salon and your hair looks like this, like you've gotten like soft waves, some sort of like loose curl, wrapping your hair how you traditionally do, like in like some people call it a doobie wrap, but just like wrapping your hair in a circle, it's not gonna do you any good. These like nice loose little bouncy curls that you left the salon with are gonna be no more. It's actually like a really old method that people have always done. The name pin curl comes from bobby pin. They just take two bobby pins and they would do it, and that is where the name pin curls come from. I'm gonna show you two ways how to do it today. You have one way where you can do it with the bobby pin, and then you have the other way, how I do it with these little silver pins. First thing I do is I take my first section of hair, my front section up here. You need to be clipping the hair down with the bend of the curl, or like with some sort of bend to the curl, okay? So you can see like there's a bend down here where the hair is like flipping out, like you can see that. But I also have like a slight little bend up here, and I also kind of want my hair to bend more up here. So because there is a little oomph, a little something going up here, that's what I'm gonna do. I pin my hair back on itself and I twist it back like this. Okay, let me show you how I did that one more time. I have this hair in my hand. I'm gonna twist it back like that. So you see how my hair is like created like a little like spiral back here. You're looking to get like this curl, this little twist. If you just pin it straight back, that's not what I'm doing. If you just pin it straight back like that, you're just flattening the hair. So you need to twist it back to create some sort of spiral to the hair. I take my little silver pin and I pin the hair down. So you see how it's created like a little hump. I look like a little cartoon character, okay? Then I'm gonna take another section of hair, and this piece of hair is what's left over from this curl up here. It's fine, that's hanging down like that. I'm gonna take another section of hair down here, and as you can see, it's kind of like marrying together, it's blending together with that piece of hair from my initial curl. That's fine. I'm gonna do the same exact thing and twist it back on itself. So like the way I do it is I'm continuously making sure that I'm picking up in some way, shape, or form the hair that was left off from the curl before. So I'm taking another section of hair down here. I'm gonna flip this back on itself. This piece of hair right here, I feel like is actually too short, and so it might not get captured in it. If it doesn't, that's okay. The one thing I like about this style and wearing my hair like this is everything doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to perfectly curl everything back. Now you do need to have, like I said, some sort of twist to your curl. You can't just be pinning it back straight. You're not gonna get any type of curl. But if one curl is like a little off, it's not gonna ruin the style, okay? Typically I do like 4 on this side and 4 on this side. So if I just like, I would just probably have like one more back here, and I would pin that one up, and that would be it. I don't do a lot of curls up here. As you can see, like this part of my hair is still flat, and it's really focused on the ends. That's because I like my hair to be straighter at the top and then have a curl at the bottom. If you wanted more of a curl up here, like in this top portion of your hair, like where I don't, you're gonna need to, one, do more pin curls than I do, but you're gonna have to like do smaller ones and like have them pent up there, you know? On this side, let's do like a traditional pin curl. So I'm gonna take this section. Now, one thing I will say, with traditional pin curls, I feel like your hair is gonna not necessarily be wavy. It is gonna be more of a, like a spiral Shirley Temple type of curl. At least that's what I've experienced. So you're gonna take your hair and you're gonna start to curl it up on itself. Like this. And then once you get it like as high as you want it to go, you see I have it and it's like a little circle. Take one bobby pin, and people, I always see them do it in the X. I don't know how that works, but I'm just gonna do my best. And it's gonna get the job done, okay? So I took one bobby pin to like just secure it to the head, and the other just to like make sure the other part of the curl laid down flat. And that is like your more traditional pin curl. Like I said, I feel like this is gonna give you a little bit more of like a Shirley Temple, like a curl, you know? You could do these all over. I would say with pin curls, because bobby pins are only so big, you're probably gonna need to do more of them. Ultimately, I feel like you should find the way that produces the result that you want the best and that's easiest for you to do. But yeah, I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or any other techniques that you would like for me to do tutorials on, please leave a comment down below. Y'all know I always listen to you, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.